let you go. Oh, you know.
Hey y'all, so welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video today. As you can see from the title down below, it's a beautiful day outside. It was raining a little bit, but you know how Jamaica is, it's still nice. So I'm just cutting up some onions, some scallion, thyme, and I just seasoned down the chicken. Let me show y'all. We're just waiting for some all-purpose. Also, I am cooking today. Today is a Sunday. When I'm here in Jamaica on Sundays, it's a must to cook. You're not going out for dinner. No, it's a must. You're gonna cook when you're in Jamaica on Sundays. So that's what I'm doing right now. Right now, they've been cooking since, well, they were soaking from the morning, and I just put them back on. So they'll be done soon. I'm about to wash off my rice. And then, yeah, aside from that, I wanted to show y'all some Jamaican snacks that I personally like. This little chicken chips, poppers, you know, this right here for one is so good because they have it's spicy and they have chicken legs in it. So I like to eat the chicken leg. It's pretty light, it's a light chip. It's not a heavy chip, it's a light chip, but the seasoning is just right on it. So I love eating these. So when you come to Jamaica, it's chicken chips, and then you'll know that this is the brand because it'll have the little leg on it, and then the other one look like fries, like hot fries. Another one, this is the Sunshine Snacks. That's the brand. Honey roasted peanuts. When you go in the store, when you get here to Jamaica, and you like peanuts, any type of if you like peanuts, the brand, I forgot the main brand that's back at home, but it's in the yellow, the blue Big 10 or whatever. But these honey roasted, y'all, it tastes like they just got the honey straight from the bees and they put them on here. I'm telling y'all, these little honey roasted peas, I said peas, don't think about peas, but these honey roasted peanuts are really good. I'm telling you, go when you get off the plane and you get to Jamaica and you don't know what snacks to pick up. If you walk in the store and you're like, dang, I don't know what to look for, I don't know these snacks, pick up these. Thank me later. These wheat snackers. I think I showed y'all these on another video, but these are my thing. I eat these. I know the other brand that they have is Miss Birdie, or I think it's Miss Birdie. I'll have to ask him, but it's I believe it's Miss Birdie. But these joints, first of all, what I do is I use these, and let me show you. Get my little cheese. It's it's a little, I get this cheese and I put it on there, and that's my snack. Anytime I have a feel for any type of crackers, or if I don't, back at home some people eat Ritz crackers. If I don't have that, I have my Jamaican wheat snackers. Let me tell you, best thing ever. Also, these little sticks, they're sweet chili. Sweet chili, I'm telling you, they're good. Real good. It's a little sweet chili type of, have you ever went and ate a sweet chili sauce on wings or chicken or something? They taste like that. It's really good. So these are a good snack to pick up when you get fresh off the plane and you're I don't know what to get. I never been a plantain girl. I've never really ate plantains, not because I didn't like them necessarily, but it was because when my parents would eat them and my siblings, I would always say they're the off-brand bananas, even though at the end of the day they're in the same family. I used to be I'm not eating them off-brand bananas. If I want a banana, I'm gonna go and get a banana. But now that I'm here and I have them the right way, and then you can have them pressed, you can have them all type of ways, I prefer pressed over just having the straight plantain. So the chips, these chips, first of all, I'm telling you, come here, pick these boys up. They are good. I never really been the plantain type, but these chips are a must. So another snack I like is these frosted flakes. Y'all, for one, whoever frosted flakes, these are the real thing. They actually have the frost, the sugar, the frosty flakes back. I don't know how. So these have like, even you can tell by the boxing that they're more like they flavorful. They have like that little sugar to them. So yeah, and then another snack I love is the Jamaican apple. I'm telling y'all, changed my life with these apples. Bussin'. Y'all, I don't know what it is, but it's just, y'all, these apples have me feeling. Started one this morning. When you come here, you can eat some of them, so you have some options. And I'm going to go to the store and show y'all some more. It's just right now, that's all I have. And I was out here to put a video out for y'all. So that's all I have right now. But I'll show y'all when I'm cooking. Just want to come on here and show y'all some snacks that I like to eat. And yeah, have a great Sunday.